Called to see he bringing a surprise. And I show is something food related.
Yeah, I catch a real big fish for you.
No.
Real best.
What did you bring?
Fish. First part.
Apple J?
Grenadian doubles.
Doubles of a?
I had to try it out for that vlog.
Okay.
Yes guys, sorry how looking I was fishing. Let's get this after, right? So, try it one time.
Yes.
That's what we're talking about.
Alright, so we're actually in Grenada, right? And this morning, husband made a little run, aka fishing run, and I stayed inside and I took a little nap, extra sleep. And then he called to say he had a surprise, and I kind of had a feeling it was going to be something food related. Because once we came to Grenada a few times before, and we actually it was the last time we came.
Yeah, last time.
The doubles lady, so you know we had to stop and try it, and it was the same lady or another
same
one,
lady.
right? So
She from Trinidad.
She from Trinidad. But you know, just have to do a little extra taste because
And I want to take heavy pepper, the heaviest I have, so we'll see how it is in Grenada.
it's smelling so good, and you all know me and doubles, and he get apple G too. I had real people. Actually, let me just show you all while I'm unwrapping this how he was trying to get it.
Excuse the look, right? People are coming back from fishing. And real people. Nice meet you. You are so. Yeah, sure. Under pressure, under pressure.
I want to give you some shine.
You guys go see them here on Jenna G's channel in Grenada, doubles, Apple J.
Like right, so yeah people, and the next thing, don't make joke with Grenadian people when they're standing in line for doubles.
Yes, learn that.
Yeah.
Let me check it out.
So if you watch the, you should get my mouth watering. I cannot even like.
Alright, let's see how it's looking.
It's smelling real
No,
good.
we should do like wrap doubles, but
Yeah, we had no other choice. It's looking pretty good.
Looking like a Trini.
It's looking like an. I think she is
Trini,
she
from
from
South.
Trini. Yeah, she used to sell doubles some time ago actually. But
Alright. Let me see. Wait. Let me go back out to this.
my mouth watering.
Alright, honest opinion, Grenadian doubles.
Pepper hot.
That's the first spot.
The barrel nice and real thin.
Like how you like it.
Real nice. And this little chana. Oh, this is like heaven.
So it's passed, it's good, it's good.
It's real good. I think it even tastes better than last time.
Nice.
Yeah.
Could
It
get some
actually
probably
tastes.
some fresh pepper.
Yeah, it is real nice. And real Trini style, you're not tasting anything off. Because we had doubles another time.
From somebody else.
It was so good. It was so good. But this, y'all.
And the apple J to go with.
And you have the apple J. So you'll need if you're in Grenada, she's by see husband.
Well, you can tell and explain properly.
Let me show you this clip.
Right here. Had real people, now get through. Still are real people. Figure out. Spiceland Mall in the back. My doubles right here. Roundabout. Right here. Check out.
Right, so that was husband trying to get a picture, a selfie with him and Spiceland Mall in the back, but he kind of was angling at the back.
I need selfie.
But yeah, so she's right by the roundabout near Spiceland Mall, along the side with RBTT and Grillmaster and Republic. I think is the bank there too.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, well, it's curved. One of the other banks, and RBTT is along that stretch there with New York Bagel and all of that. Right there on the morning time.
Yeah, and selling from the back of our wagon.
Yeah, she's selling from the back of the wagon, but the line is being long.
Just stand up and wait, you get you.
Yeah, and it doubles the taste best. Just stand in the line according to how you reach.
Or sometimes you have the back a little bit when people hungry.
Yeah, they want the doubles. You know, we know they play with doubles. So yeah, guys, you all need to check it out. This real good. Jenna G recommended and Coastem recommended.
Selfie game strong, guys.
He's still trying. You have to eat one. So yes, y'all, try this next time you're all in Grenada. Epic forget to tell you all the price. What's the price?
5 EC for one.
It's 5 EC for one. 5 EC for one, is it? Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, yeah.
The exchange rate is like 2.6.
6, yeah, 2.6.
That's about 13.
You pay about 13 TT for this, for one, but hey, it's real good, so you all need to try. So 5 EC, get your doubles.
How the apple J going on there?
Going on real good. Could never go wrong with apple J and doubles.
Best breakfast.
For me. How it going there?
So it's tasting real good. Pepper was fine until I take a nice bite. That pepper, wicked bad boy, wicked.
I tell him it was hot just now. He said no, he said don't eat it. He said pepper not hot. I said well I probably get all one time. Check your face now.
Yeah, it hot.
But
when I buy double space, real people asking for no pepper and mild. I was like, mild? Which mild? At least it's slight. But when people say no pepper, no pepper. Like,
it's amazing to go around the world, like travel and see the
we
front.
can't do without pepper. This is heavy.
Yeah.
Because I tell them put as much pepper as possible.
And the funny thing is, every time we come Grenada, and I try to ask for pepper sauce, some people, every time, like a few times, people was like, wait, where you from? You're from Trinidad.
But it always tastes good.
Yeah.
Respect.
Doubles approved.
Respect.